In this video, we'll explore the concept of an entrepreneurial mindset and the importance of entrepreneurial spirit or passion. Having an entrepreneurial mindset goes beyond the mere desire to start a business. It's about cultivating a specific way of thinking and approaching opportunities. An entrepreneurial mindset encompasses several key elements. Firstly, it involves an awareness and a focus on identifying opportunities through problem solving. Entrepreneurs possess a keen eye for recognizing unmet needs, inefficiencies, or gaps in the market. Rather than merely observing problems, they actively seek solutions and innovative approaches. For example, let's look at Jane Chen. She's the co-founder of Embrace Innovations. Jane Chen developed her entrepreneurial mindset by identifying a problem, the lack of access to affordable neonatal incubators in developing countries. She then pursued a solution, ultimately creating a low-cost, portable infant warmer that saved thousands of newborn lives. Secondly, an entrepreneurial mindset encompasses a willingness to take calculated risks and move forward to advance ideas. Entrepreneurs understand that embracing uncertainty and stepping outside their comfort zones, it's essential for growth and success. So they're resilient, they're adaptable, and they're not deterred by setbacks or failures. Alex Honnold is a professional rock climber, and he embodies this entrepreneurial mindset. He took enormous risks by free solo climbing, which is ascending these massive rock walls without ropes or protective gear. Despite the immense danger, his willingness to push boundaries and conquer challenges propelled him to achieve extraordinary feats in the world of rock climbing. Now, let's delve into entrepreneurial spirit or passion. It represents the fire and the drive within an entrepreneur, the burning desire to create and innovate and make a positive impact. It goes beyond the financial rewards, and it encompasses just a deep sense of purpose and fulfillment that's derived from pursuing entrepreneurial endeavors. The entrepreneurial spirit is often characterized by a refusal to accept the status quo and a commitment to pushing boundaries. Entrepreneurs are change agents, driven to disrupt established patterns and processes and systems. So, as a student, you have probably heard about artificial intelligence and ChatGPT. You may even be using them by this point. These disruptive technologies are reshaping the education industry, and they're challenging traditional norms. They introduce new ways of doing things, often displacing established patterns and processes. So let me ask you, how do you perceive disruptive technologies like AI and ChatGPT? Do you see them as threats, or do you see them as opportunities? Are you ready to embrace the possibilities they offer and harness their potential for entrepreneurial ventures? Consider this. AI and ChatGPT, they have the potential to streamline processes, enhance decision-making, and unlock new avenues for innovation. More importantly, though, they can free up valuable time, enabling entrepreneurs to focus on the higher level tasks and their creative problem solving. Embracing these technologies could potentially amplify entrepreneurial capabilities and open doors to new opportunities. As for whether or not this script was generated by AI, well, I'll leave that for you to ponder.